Hi everyone, it's Rachel
Hi everyone, it's Nora.
Smith, and we are here today to show you 191 Eureka. So come check out this time capsule. Okay, here we are at 191 Eureka, and this one is over in Eagle Point neighborhood of Big Bear Lake. You have a empty lot next door. A lot of the neighbors around here are a couple full-time, a couple second homes, and then a couple that are vacation rentals. Great access to the lake from here, great access to the ski slopes, easy to get to the village, and back roads to get to the grocery store. So this home, lots of square footage on it. It's 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 1982 square foot. It was built in 1978, and you're going to see a lot of 1978 in it. First off, the roof looks like you've still got a little bit of life left in it. Parking on a small downslope here. You've also got additional parking out here on the approach too. So it looks like the fence line is going to be right about where your property line is. And then you've also got this nice little pony wall here. And over here, your property line is likely just going to follow this fence line right here, and you've got what looks to be like a good little parking area right here behind for maybe a small boat, extra car, little RV could fit in this spot nicely. There's no RV yet. Somebody could put an RV there if they wanted to. So Nora's gonna help us out by showing us the house today. So outside really quick, one thing to note are these woodpecker holes. So a little bit of a fixer-upper, a little bit of an updater on this house, but just loads of opportunity in it. So you'll notice that the woodpeckers are starting to put their food in the wall, so that needs to have some attention to it. A little bit of brickwork that could be done. And then Elsa Nora is going to maybe tell us some things that she likes about the house. So this is, first off, a really cool feature is that it is a covered front porch right here. So no snow would fall on you while you are trying to get inside with your groceries. A little bit more brickwork here. And check out this little thing. I think it's to stop the door. No, it's not. Oh, Nora, show me this. Is that really cool? Okay, nobody's home. Let's go inside. It's very 70s in here. So we're gonna start in here. This is updated. A little bit of some grout work needed right here. A really neat bonsai stained glass right here too. And so you've got an entryway, and from the entryway you can go down to the garage, up to the bedrooms, into the closet, into the dining room kitchen area, or where we're gonna go, which is into the living room. So some people could call this a sunken living room because you are down off that main floor.
We have 2 couches.
2 couches? What? Who has 2 couches? Look at this cool lamp. And then you've got some wood paneling and some fun drapes. And you've got 2 couches. And if you're lucky enough, the couches may come with. This one is going to be a probate sale. So they do need a 45-day escrow. They've got 2 fireplaces also. This one, a real deep, nice brass that they've got here. And they've also still got this, the gas starter. Well, here's one. Go see if you can find the other. This is not built in. This is their TV. Some of this furniture too, some people would love. It's nice that it's got a little pass through right here. So like a little wet bar coming in from the kitchen into the living room. You have these typical earthquake cracks right here too. Just need to be filled in. Wow. Look at this. That is pretty. We've got them on both sides too. So we are now into the dining room. The dining room is where the second fireplace is. And there's just so much that you could do to this house. It's got really good bones, really good layout. This looks like an old TV insert in here. But it goes pretty deep back there. Now we are in the dining room kitchen area. So one thing to note, while the tile is really kind of cool, I like it. It looks like it's kind of coming off the wall right here, separating. And you also will see it from back here too, that it's kind of going on a downhill. So you got some linoleum in the kitchen. Very, very older appliances. Like that thing is really heavy. Might be able to salvage these because it's kind of a cool little layout. And then you've got the microwave and oven. My parents have one of these and it opens just like that. And we've got this whole fun area and an indoor grill. So much of these features you could probably try and keep the 70s vibe in here. Nice view. You've also, in the back, it looks like there's no one built behind you either. You have vaulted ceilings. This is an interesting little alcove right here. That is not built in, but I have no idea what else you would use that space for. Let's go check out here. So, of course, since it's a fixer, it needs a little bit of TLC on the outside too. This, careful Nora, don't go through there. That fence, the panel fell down. So I'm not gonna go too much further, but this is gonna be off the garage down here, and it just goes out into the yard. No privacy fence. Yeah, you can talk. You wanna go show us the bedrooms? Okay, Nora's gonna show us. Oh, look, they have an awning too. Can't guarantee the life of that, but it does have a retractable awning. So next, we're gonna go up to the bedrooms. So carpet in really good shape. I mean, it is older. It is cushy.
Can I touch it?
They got the World Book Encyclopedia. My parents had that same edition. Yeah, you want to show me this bathroom right here first?
So,
What is your favorite thing in this bathroom?
so in the bathroom, toilets taped together.
Oh, that toilet's taped together. You like that? You know what I like in this bathroom the most? Let's first check out this baby blue tile and a cast iron tub.
Okay, can I touch that?
My favorite thing is these lights.
So, out here,
Wait, I thought you were supposed to pick something inside the bathroom that you liked.
we have 2 bunk beds. We
Ooh.
have a mirror.
Mmm. And
We have a ladder to go up to the top.
yeah, and there's a closet here.
And there's a
What kind of things would you put in your closet?
These handles.
You would put clothes in there too, right? And it's got this maroon.
Clothes in there.
Nobody lives here. And then one thing to note is upgraded windows up here.
And we
That is like a secret. Look at this, Nora. What do you think's in here? Ooh, an attic.
put a hot
It's
in
a
there.
hiding spot.
Oh, I'm not gonna go in there.
No, you don't like it in there?
No.
This is a fun. You could put all your jewelry in there.
And we have these drawers.
Okay, let's go look at the next bedroom.
Wait.
So this must be the kids' room if they have the bunk beds in here. Let's go in this one first.
We have this woman and a TV.
Oh, have you ever seen a TV like that? Look at the back of it. What do you think about that TV?
And
Yeah, and then we've also got these handles again. Really nice handles. And then a very kind of a deeper than normal walk-in closet with access to the attic upstairs.
And we have this bed. Next room.
Well, we've got to go. This is probably like a double or a queen right here. And then these are still updated windows.
And then there's another TV.
Oh, this must be what they call the master. Did you know that? This is called the master. Nora, when there's ever anything that has a bathroom in it and a bedroom, it's called a master. Look at this closet first.
Mom, this one is taped together too.
Oh, they have a taped together toilet in here? Why would you ever tape toilets together?
I'm just gonna.
And they do have central heating in here. A little balcony off here that's definitely going to require some replacement pieces. But let's go.
We live here, Mommy.
Where do you think they went?
I think we went down the hill.
You think they just went down the hill? Where do you think their stuff went?
I think they brought it and put it in their suitcases.
Here's somebody's hat that they left here with a clock on it. Have you ever seen a clock hat? That's a clock hat. So, nice skylight here. And then very similar bathroom. Tile is a slightly different color. Looks like you've got some sort of like nail, like somebody nailed something in from the attic or something right there. What? Wheels on the bottom of the bed?
Look it.
That's crazy. I've heard of wheels on the bus before, but I've never heard of wheels on the bottom of the bed. Look, those sheets almost match your pants. Okay, let's go check out the garage. Oh, look at this beautiful piece of furniture right here, too.
I'm going downstairs.
Okay, we're going downstairs.
Mom, I'm going downstairs.
I'm coming.
There's an American flag.
Oh, they have an American flag.
There's a door right there.
Okay, I bet that goes to the garage.
Here. There's spiders.
Spiders, you think?
That's a funny door.
So here we are
Here.
at, I'm trying to turn the light on.
Here. There's another door.
There's another door. Okay, so you got like a nice little handyman area right here. Little workshop. It's kind of finished off inside. And got the water heater here. No drip pan. Probably need to update these appliances. Oh, wow. Check out what I found.
What?
Oh my gosh. It's a train set, Nora. Come look at this. Come here, you're not even tall enough. I'll pick you up. Come here. So this is like a workshop room.
Wow!
Look at it. A little train will come through here and go all the way back. Like that is some dedication to have a whole room laid out like this. This is amazing.
Wow! There's little tunnels you see over there.
And look at these bridges down here. You see them in the water? And it goes in the tunnel at the very back. You see that?
Yeah.
Oh, and then we have a bathroom. So just a half bathroom, still taped together.
Wow, that is cool!
Is that the coolest thing that you've ever seen in a house?
I want to see it again.
You want to see it one more time? And then underneath it, they just have it like built up on a ledge.
Wow. See?
It's like a little saloon town.
Can I hold
No.
it? Wait.
And here's the operating
Wait,
equipment. So, no, we don't touch that. Okay, well, that's it. So all of this could be yours for $649,000. And you have laundry too.
Mom.
Okay, we will talk to you soon. Bye.